This Century 21 all-service property video is presented by Kem Cobb. Welcome home to 1120 Westchester Drive. This one-owner home has been meticulously maintained. Don't miss this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home featuring hardwood floors, replacement windows. 2 of the bedrooms have built-ins, central air and partially finished basement. Enjoy the screened-in porch overlooking the beautiful level backyard. Plenty of storage. Convenient to University of Lynchburg, Liberty University and Ranldolph College. Ideal for first-time home buyers or investment property. For more information, review the details below.